Hi, welcome to the Game Changers. Currently, the mood in the market is real scary and really bad. The market has fallen quite a bit and it's in deep red. Yesterday, we spoke about two scenarios, one a bullish one and one a bearish one. Let's see what has happened today. And at the end, I'll tell you what's going on in my head and the feelings that I'm going through. It's important and it'll help you a lot. So come, let's have a look. So today, Bank Nifty gapped down quite a bit. So on a 3-minute chart, when I look at it, Bank Nifty has gapped down quite a bit below yesterday's low. Yesterday we discussed that the market had done nothing, but what happened in the last half an hour was a big fall and no one could have predicted it. It was just a kind of expiry play. So today the market gapped down here and it fell. Normally, when such a situation happens, like it happened on the 24th, I was waiting for a mean reversion kind of trade after a gap down. So, which was this kind of pattern, right? This was successful on this day. What happened today was we got a mean reversion, we got a 3-minute pivot, got a breakout, and unfortunately the trade failed. So this was a setup, valid setup, and it didn't work out. After it not working out, the problem is there could have been another setup here to short, but because of the gap down that had happened during the day, my system didn't allow me to take a short. It could have been profitable, but because of the gap down and the fall and the overall market had fallen around 3%, my view was a little bit mean reversion type rather than trying to catch this one. So we'll have a look at what Bank Nifty has done is, even though Bank Nifty fell today, it's actually not been a trending day because it has again recovered everything. So overall, the day has become a kind of I wouldn't say a doji day, but a day with not a lot of significance. And I'm going to talk about what is going through my head currently. That we'll talk about it once we can have a view of what is to be done on Monday. So currently it looks really bad for the market, but Bank Nifty for some reason is falling lesser. So if I want to short, I would want to short below today's low, and I would want a 3-minute pivot to form below today's low and then break down. That's one scenario. For the bullish scenario, it's very difficult to imagine a bullish scenario currently. But the bullish scenario can be taken only if today's gap down is filled. That means what? I would want on a 3-minute chart, I would want price to break out or gap up, move near this gap, fill this gap, then make a retracement of a 3-minute pivot and then break out. These are the only two scenarios that I would be willing to trade. Otherwise, I would sit tight. Now that we've analyzed for tomorrow and what has happened today, let's have a view of what is going on in my head currently. what is going on in my head is that, does it feel like I'm in the wrong instrument? Because Bank Nifty has not been trending, while if you see on one hand, Nifty has been falling and falling. So does it feel like, yaar, fear of missing out ka feeling hai kya? In my mind, no. There is no fear of missing out. Because I know that when Bank Nifty trends, it'll give me money. And if Bank Nifty moves on the upside or the downside, wherever it trends, it's going to give me my setup and I'm going to make whatever is to be made. There is no kind of regret here or the feeling of, oh shit, ye miss kar diya. You know? And that is very important as traders, because ये जो feeling आता है कि यार दूसरा बंदा ये कर रहा है या तीसरा बंदा ये कर रहा है, ये स्टार्टिंग में बहुत आता था. पहले 1, 2, 3 साल में तो इतना आता था that अरे वो कर रहा है तो वो कर लेता हूँ, अरे वो वैसे पैसे बना रहा है तो वो कर लेता हूँ. Like the feeling is always there, the missing out, the fear of missing out. That feeling is very high as an individual. That should be you should try and control that, because you want to stick to your methodology and your philosophy in the market. Just because somebody is doing something else, or maybe they are making money in a sideways market and you aren't, or vice versa, that doesn't mean you start shifting your strategy. It means that you have patience and you stick to your own rules. It's very, very important. If doubt starts to creep into your methodology, then that means you do not have enough belief in your methodology. So have belief, stay positive. Even in such tough times, try and stay a little bit optimistic. Chalo, bye. See you on Monday. But before seeing you on Monday, see the weekend video which is going to come out. It's going to be about a certain stock example that I've taken and a little bit of the overall view of the index. It's a very, very important video. Have a look at it. Chalo, bye. See you soon.